根據過去一周2025年5月26日至6月1日的搜尋熱度、社交媒體討論量及新聞報道頻率，以下是亞洲地區過去一周最受關注的10個問題。1. 日本是否會恢復對北韓學校的資助？這個話題在日本和北韓社群中引發熱議，涉及政治與教育問題。2. 印尼與中國的關係是否正在深化？印尼總統讚揚中國的反殖民立場，引發國際關注。3. 東南亞國家是否能加快南海行為準則的制定？菲律賓總統馬可士敦促東盟加快進程，以應對中國的影響。4. 澳洲是否正在調整對美國的防務承諾？五角大廈否認撤軍報道，但分析人士認為仍有可能。5. 南韓選民是否對即將到來的選舉感到矛盾？政治動盪使選民對投票產生猶豫。6. 印度是否正在贏得對毛派叛亂的戰爭？這場衝突已造成近12000人死亡。近期局勢變化引發討論。7. 伊朗是否涉及印度公民失蹤案？來自印度旁遮普邦的男子在伊朗失蹤，家屬懷疑遭綁架。8. 馬來西亞沙巴選民是否要求變革？當地居民對基礎設施問題感到不滿，要求政府履行承諾。9. 新加坡是否正在調整對外國使館的立場？新加坡政府拒絕外國使館試圖煽動國內反應。10. 中國是否在巴西面臨勞工條件指控？巴西政府對中國車企別提出訴訟，指控其勞工待遇類似奴役。再來就是雙字幕廣播二次元八卦故事。
Exclusive news from the Emerald Forest. Mechanical birds control the order of the forest, and animal communities face a crisis of choice. Emerald Forest, June 1st. With the arrival of a group of mysterious intelligent mechanical birds, the animal residents of the forest are undergoing unprecedented changes. These metallic, gleaming mechanical birds claim to help animals find food more efficiently, avoid danger, and even plan the best routes through the forest. However, as time goes on, the influence of the mechanical birds continues to expand, and the order of the forest begins to change. At first, most animals welcomed the assistance of the mechanical birds. They can accurately predict the ripening time of fruit trees, so we no longer have to worry about finding food, said the young deer Lucy. However, as the algorithms of the mechanical birds adjusted, they began to set specific routes in the forest, guiding animals to act according to the best plan. Some animals started to realize that their choices were gradually being influenced by the mechanical birds, even losing their freedom to explore. Now, every decision is suggested by the mechanical birds, but is this really what we want? Questioned the old fox Phil during an interview. He believes that animals are starting to rely too heavily on the mechanical birds and forgetting their instincts and decision-making abilities. In this social transformation of the forest, the old elephant Ivan became the first elder to publicly reflect on the impact of the mechanical birds. If we no longer make our own decisions, do we still control our forest? Ivan warned the animal leaders at a forest meeting. Subsequently, the forest community began discussing how to coexist with the mechanical birds, rather than completely relying on them to dominate their lives. Currently, the mechanical birds remain active in the forest, but the animal residents are gradually changing how they use them. Some animals choose to rediscover their independent decision-making abilities, while others continue to accept the mechanical bird suggestions. This battle of choices is still evolving, and the future of the Emerald Forest will be determined by all living beings together.
Reporté, Oula l'éditeur, Skirel Mason, Emerald Forest News Agency.
異世界1周6日異象預報，資訊來自星務之境預報中心。第一日，流光之潮。異世界的星海將迎來罕見的流光之潮，所有水域的液體將暫時變成漂浮光源，映照過去與未來的幻象。旅人若凝視水面，可能會看到自己命運的轉折點，但請務必小心，某些影像可能並非真實，而是星神的戲弄。第二日，刺焰之曦。一顆名為紅準星的魔法衛星將異常接近世界，導致天空呈現深紅色。此期間，魔法師的火系咒語將增強3倍威力，而所有金屬製品都可能變得炙熱。城市鐵匠鋪已宣布暫停營業，以避免工具過熱。第三日，夢境風暴。預測異世界將進入夢境風暴現象，所有生物的睡眠時間將同步，每當夜幕降臨，夢境便會互相連結。夢境中的決策可能影響現實，部分冒險者已準備進入集體夢境，尋找傳說中的失落秘寶。第四日，逆時渦輪。時間魔法將在這一天發生異常，每個地區的時鐘都將開始倒轉12小時。歷史學家認為這是觀察失落年代的最佳時機，部分祭司已開始準備與過去的靈魂溝通。然而，請注意，任何試圖改變過去的行動皆將遭受神秘懲罰。第五日，雷霆歌舞。天空裂隙將開啟，雷霆將化為音律。城市廣場、森林秘境，甚至地下洞窟都可能聽到來自天界的旋律。據預測，某些異域神族會藉此機會傳遞預言，有志者可前往雷霆祭壇，解讀這場天譴樂章。第六日，暗月消逝。異世界的永夜之月將完全隱形，黑暗領域的力量將短暫消失。吸血鬼、影行者與所有與暗影相關的生物將面臨未知變化，而光明系法術將迎來短暫增幅。預計異域學者將前往神聖之地，以研究這場奇異現象的真正含義。結語：這6日的異象足以讓任何冒險者興奮不已，但也請各位旅人謹慎行動。異世界的法則並非固定，某些異象可能帶來意想不到的後果。願你的旅程充滿驚奇與智慧，迎接這場奇幻與科幻交織的奇蹟時刻。預報編輯：星務學院長希爾瑪。異世界氣象聯盟特別警告：異象變數仍可能調整，請保持警覺。在節目完結前，讓大家欣賞本周最美仙女圖，祝各位兒童節快樂！